Hey friends, welcome to Finland Media. 5G is the latest network of wireless technology. It's used to transmit data between appliances like mobile phones and Bluetooth devices. 5G works by producing a type of energy called electromagnetic radiation. It uses higher frequencies than previous wireless networks, making it faster and more efficient. Electromagnetic frequencies, like those produced by 5G, create an area called an electromagnetic field. Some people believe electromagnetic fields have negative health effects. As a result, there is concern about how 5G affects health. In this video, we will look into what is 5G, does its technology have any effects on health, is 5G frequency or radiation harmful to animals, false claims about health risks, 5G and the new coronavirus controversy, and finally, what is the controversy over 5G? This video would give you a complete idea about 5G and its pros and cons. Before we look further, if you are watching my video for the first time, please do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell button for notifications. Let's continue on to the video. What is 5G? Wireless technology is constantly evolving. Approximately every 10 years, mobile companies release a new generation of wireless systems. Each generation is upgraded, more advanced version of last one. In 2019, 5G networks were released. The term 5G stands for fifth generation. 5G provides faster mobile communications. This is expected to support the increasing number of electronic devices and services, including self-driving cars, virtual reality appliances, telemedicines, remote surveillances, and telesurgery. 5G works by using higher frequency on the electromagnetic spectrum. The frequencies range from 3.5 GHz to several tens of gigahertz. Before 5G was launched, these high frequencies weren't used in mobile networks. They are typically used in devices like security scanners. It's worth noting that electromagnetic frequencies are produced by anything that uses electricity. This includes microwaves, power lines, and computers. 5G also uses a method called beamforming, which sends data directly to devices. This is the different from previous generations, which send signals in all directions. Does 5G technology have any effects on health? According to the World Health Organization, there is limited research on the frequencies used in 5G. There is more research on the health effects of electromagnetic fields across the spectrum. However, the results are inconsistent. To date, electromagnetic fields have been potentially associated with tissue heating, cognitive function, and cancer. Let's look at these three risks in detail. First, tissue heating. A small 2017 study showed that mobile phones use frequencies of 1.8 to 2.2 GHz. These frequencies cause tissue heating, according to World Health Organization. Tissue heating occurs when skin absorbs electromagnetic energy. This causes a slight rise in temperature in your brain and body. A 2021 study also found that people experience more electromagnetic fields-related tissue heating as they get older. Plus, the higher the electromagnetic field, the more they absorb. That's because older individuals tend to have reduced skin thickness and blood flow. However, tissue heating is considered to be short-term and minimal. The Federal Communication Commission also states that the public is exposed to very low frequencies of electromagnetic fields. These levels are too low to cause considerable tissue heating. More research is necessary to determine how 5G specifically affects human tissues. Second is cognitive function. It is a broad term that refers to mental processes involved in the acquisition of knowledge. The effects of 5G exposure on cognitive function have not been studied yet. There are some researchers involved in electromagnetic field from other sources. In a small 2017 study, researchers examined how using a mobile phone affects cognitive function. The researchers found that using a mobile phone for at least 90 minutes a day is associated with attention difficulties. A small 2018 research review found conflicting evidence. The researchers examined 43 studies regarding electromagnetic fields and cognitive function. They concluded that there is no solid link between electromagnetic field and cognitive concerns. Third is cancer. In 2011, the International Agency for Research on Cancer stated electromagnetic fields are possibly having the potential to cause cancer to humans. The classification was determined by 30 scientists from 14 countries. To date, most studies have examined the potential link between electromagnetic fields and brain cancer, but the results have been inconsistent. For example, a 2017 research review found that electromagnetic field radiation from mobile phones with glioma, a type of brain cancer. A 2018 study, on the other hand, did not find a clear association between high-frequency electromagnetic fields and brain tumors. Again, more studies are needed to determine if 5G frequency can contribute to cancer developments. Is 5G frequency or radiation harmful to animals? There is limited research on how 5G specifically affects animals. Most research has involved mice or rats. For example, a 2019 animal study found that electromagnetic fields from mobile phones are linked to DNA damage in mice and rats. Another 2016 animal study found that electromagnetic fields of any frequencies can harm the nervous system. A 2020 research review also examined how electromagnetic fields affect organisms like snails and frogs. The researchers determined that it is unclear if electromagnetic fields have negative effects on animals. More research is necessary to determine how 5G affects animals, if at all. False claims about health risks. Since the release of 5G, many false claims about its health appeared on social media. Examples of these myths include COVID-19 vaccines contain 5G microchips. 5G release is used to cover up the COVID-19 pandemic. 5G causes headaches, migraines, and dizziness. There is no proof behind these claims though. 5G and the new coronavirus. There's also a myth that 5G mobile networks are associated with the new coronavirus SARS-CoV-2, which causes the condition COVID-19. This is false. According to rumors, 5G is said to directly spread the virus, but viruses spread through respiratory droplets, not wireless networks. Some rumors claim that 5G suppresses your immune system, increasing your risk of contracting SARS-CoV-2. But this is also false. There is no proof that electromagnetic fields or 5G affects your risk of developing viral infections. 5G is the newest virus network. It provides faster mobile communication by producing higher electromagnetic frequencies. Currently, there is no solid evidence that 5G causes negative health effects in humans or animals. Most researchers have studied electromagnetic fields in general and found mixed results. Though most studies are needed to understand 5G, it's not associated with contracting SARS-CoV-2. 5G does not spread the new coronavirus or make you more susceptible to viral infections. Hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and hit the bell button in order to be notified as soon as I post a video. Thanks for watching and see you till next time.